I hate when I hear a breakup song on the radio because I haven't had a relationship since 5th grade, so I have to think of that.
Absolute tunage. You know the drill, guys. If you do like the song, give it a listen and give it a share. Tell next door's dog about it. Do what you need to go to do to get people listening to it, guys. Right, this week's number 9. It's up 1. It is Billy Kelly with Gods and Monsters. Well in, lad, well in, lad. And like I said, we've got Billy in the studio with us this Sunday, having a little chat and giving us a few numbers. Very much looking forward to this. This is Billy Kelly, this week's number 10. This week's number 9, Gods and Monsters.
I ain't got no God and no religion, but I'm pretty sure I know what's right from wrong. Ain't got no church, no congregation, but I definitely know what's right and wrong. Can you explain the situation of killing fields in the name of your gods, and you expect your own salvation and a place in paradise to cleanse your soul? If I was him, I'd send you packing to read whatever book you represent. Call me a man, a non-believer. I think the time has come for your repent. Gods and monsters, they're all the same to me, preaching forgiveness. All wrapped up in pain and misery. Gods and monsters, they're all the same to me. Can't you see? Can't you see? Ain't got no God and no religion, but I'm pretty sure I know what's right from wrong. Ain't got no church, no congregation, but I definitely know what's right from wrong. If I was him, I'd send you packing to read whatever book you represent. Call me a man, a non-believer, but I think the time has come for your repent. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me, preaching forgiveness. All wrapped up in pain and misery. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me. Can't you see? Can't you see? Gods and monsters,
unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best. Acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Right, and at number 8 this week, we have a brand new entry. The boys are back in town. It's Western Promise with a brand new song off their new album, which they kindly sent me the whole thing through the web. Absolutely smashing album as well. I had a little flick through it a little bit earlier this week. The track in question is called Charlie White. It is their latest single from the album. It's absolutely brilliant. Brand new entry in at number 8 this week. Western Promise, Charlie White.
Charlie Wright lived all his life on the streets of this town, seen all the tears and joy as a man and boy, and now they're trying to knock his castle down. They're ticking off the clocks, they're closing off the docks of this shipyard town. The politicians say, hey, well, you've had your day, now we're gonna tear you down. And 1 o'clock dawn won't find no more, and the ships won't sail on by shore. I know children's laughter fills the air, just the toll of the lonely bell for the last house standing on Ilchester Square. Yeah. Charlie Wright will live and die on the streets of this town. A whole way of life will fade and die when they pull his castle down. And 1 o'clock gun won't find no more, and the ships will sail on by the shore. I know children's laughter will fill the air, just the toll of the lonely bell for the last house standing on Ilchester Square. No children's laughter fills the air, just the tone of the lonely guest house standing on Ilchester Square.
It really grows on you, that song. I think I've listened to it about 3 times now, and I can feel it getting stronger and stronger. I'm starting to like it more and more. Absolute belter of a tune, that by Western Promise. Like I say, very nice to see the lads back in our chart where they belong. They're a big band, and they should be in our top 20. Right, okay, number 7 this week, guys. It is down 4 this week. It is Sister Rose with the King of Cabaret. If you love your old school rock, you're gonna love this. Turn it up.
I got the money. go till morning. I got the deal.